Okay, up here you have to go to the left, okay? Okay, go to the left. Come here, this way. Good job. Come on. Go straight. Push harder. Okay, let's go this way. Oh, let's go to the right. Go to the right. Good job, Sophia. You like your bike? You're silly. Okay, now let's go to the left.
I don't want to go there.
You don't want to go to the left? Where do you want to go?
I want to go that way.
Okay.
I don't want to go that way.
Okay, no, we go to this way. It's better.
I'm not big enough.
Yeah. Good job, Sophia.